Bonjour, on se retrouve pour les aventures d'Atarashi et ses sombres pulsions. On était donc juste à l'entrée de la caverne, à l'intérieur du bosquet, là où les druides réalisent leur rituel pour condamner le bosquet. Donc on va aller voir Kaga qui nous attend et voir si on peut sauver la petite fille au passage.
I'm sorry.
Ou pas d'ailleurs.
Lost your senses, Koga. Release her.
She stole the idol of Sylvanas. She must pay the price. Imprison the thief under guard of my servant. When we cast out the rest, she may join them. Let the devil be an example. We will tolerate outlanders no longer. The grove will be made safe.
Please. I'm sorry.
This is madness, Koga. She's just a...
A what, Wrath? A thief? A poison? A threat? I will imprison the devil. And I will cast out every stranger.
A death viper. You've milked their poison before. A single drop of it could kill that child in a heartbeat.
We will speak soon enough. First, judgment must be passed. The parasite eats our food, drinks our water, then steals our most holy idol in thanks. Wrath, lock her up. She remains here until the rite is complete. And keep still, devil. Tila is restless.
Come, Koga. We took back the idol. Surely...
Do it.
The snake's hiss of approval reveals its intentions. Should the child struggle, it is poised to strike. The death of a child. A timeless tragedy that never grows old.
Ouais. Alors, on va partir sur la nature en espérant pas trop mal se débrouiller. Merci Ambre que... Oh là, 12. Minimum 10 sur le dé. Je fais 15, c'est bon. Ça passe, ça passe. Je sauve la petite
I
fille.
hear the Tree Father's spirit in your words. It is as you say. Sifisif, Tila, to me. Out, thief. My grace has its limits.
It hurts.
Thank you, Koga. Master Holsin...
Halsin isn't here. Keep his name off your tongue, lest Tila pierce it.
Elle est d'un désagréable, cette dame. Oh. Ah, il y en a deux qui veulent me parler. Ouais, ben vous allez attendre parce qu'il y a Kaga qui veut me parler aussi.
Very well.
Go on. Say it. You think I'm a monster? Ah. You don't see a monster. You just look at me through one's eyes. You are like the devils. Where they tread, chaos follows. No matter. I took back the idol of Sylvanas, and the rite is resumed. We will seal the grove, free from harm, free of intruders. The Rite of Thorns. It is the Tree Father's gift that none come to harm. When we speak the final prayer, the great vine will sprout forth. The grove will be cloaked in bramble and thorn. No one enters, no one leaves. Sanctuary. None of this can happen while Outlanders infect us. Sylvanas demands that we choke them out.
Je suis pas certain qu'il l'ait demandé. C'est toi qui te fais des idées. Comme tout fanatique, tu interprètes les paroles de ton Dieu.
So you say, yet the child walks free. You showed great mettle at the gate. The mettle of a skilled sword for hire. I want you to provide your services to Zevlor. Offer to guide the Outlanders out of the grove. I'm sure they'll reward you well. They're to be gone before final prayer. If they are not, the Viper must strike.
Qu'est-ce que je fais? Elle m'hérisse le poil à un point. J'ai presque envie de lui répondre ça. Mais bon. Allez, on va
You
arriver.
do more than speak. This tale ends but one way. With the Outlander rot cleansed, and the grove forever shrouded.
Je sais pas ce qu'elle a fait elle, mais alors elle est à côté de la plaque. Qu'est-ce que j'ai ici? Ok. 6 sacs, ce sont des flèches. Ok, là. Ok.
Blackets will be done.
Ah, zut. Ok,
I'm ready.
là. Ok.
Quite ready for you.
Ouais, bon, je sais de quoi il veut me parler, mais pour l'instant, j'ai pas envie de lui causer. Bon, on va lire ça. Mince. Hmm.
Ridiculous. We just let her run off.
Alors, je vais me remettre là.
Devil child, one who tried to steal from us.
By claw and tooth from root to thorn, the old oak's grove to wildlings sworn. The mural shows druids claiming the grove in the name of the old oak, Sylvanas, god of nature.
Ok, merci.
Let's see what this does.
Temple of Shah. Where? And what's this about a curse?
The towers seized, the battle done. The moonrise broke the darkest one. History or myth, whatever is depicted
raté.
here is long past.
C'est pas toujours une réussite. Dommage.
In darkest hour, a concord made, twixt harp and wild against the shade. Harp and wild? You recall stories of an alliance between druids and the harpers, but the details are vague.
Ok. Alors, hop. Ah, là. Ok. Euh, Alors, j'ai dit que je voulais... Là, il y a un ours. Ah, il y a Nettie, voilà, celle que je voulais voir.
They did a number on you, didn't they?
Seems
Does
like a
that
good
hurt?
moment to talk.
I see you. Just give me a moment.
This may be Catherine's.
There. It's up to her now. Life or death. Now, what was it you needed? You found her, but I still don't know what she can do for you. You and every other soul here. I can help if something's wrong. I'm no Master Halsin, but I can manage. Why are you asking? A tadpole. A mind flayer tadpole.
Allez, un peu d'humour.
That's a serious condition. Come, follow me. I might be able to help. We need to be quick. This way.
Ah.
This one had the same problem as you. Attacked us in the woods together with some goblins. Tadpole crawled out of his head soon after.
Ouais, j'aimerais un remède un petit peu moins radical. Très cher.
I'll do the best I can. I'm no Master Halsin, mind. He'd have your tadpole out like that. Still, we have options. All right. Let's see what we can do. Of course. Now, tell me what's been happening. Any symptoms? Strange events?
Alors, allez, on va lui parler de ça.
Victims can identify each other. Not that the others know they're victims, of course. How'd you pick up the parasite? Halsin was desperate to find where all this was happening. A mind flayer ship? But Master Halsin was sure. Look, you've been straight with me, so I'll be straight with you. You're dangerous. If you transform here, we're all dead. But you seem like a good soul. You deserve a chance to save yourself. This is a vial of wyvern poison. Swear to me, you'll swallow it if you feel any symptoms. The thorn? Coated in a fatal toxin. It was a last resort, in case I couldn't trust you. I don't have a cure. Only a way out. I'm sorry for misleading you, but I had to be sure you weren't a threat before I told you everything. Now, do I have your word or not?
Ah. Allez.
I hope
Pourquoi
it
pas.
doesn't come to that, but thank you. Here. You know, I've spent my life treating folk and never once saw a mind flayer infection. Then suddenly, there's dozens of you. Maybe more. Master Halsin and I were tracking them, studying them, trying to figure out what the hells was going on. Because you should all be changing. There should be a small army of mind flayers out there. But you're not. Weird powers aside, you seem perfectly normal.
Ouais, enfin, normal.
For one, that thing in your head is like nothing we've ever seen from mind flayers. It's one of their worms for sure. But this one gives you powers. Telepathic connections. And it doesn't turn you into one of them. Not yet, anyhow. Hard to say, but there's a lot we don't know. Infected, folks like you, have been converging on an old temple of Selûne, and I've no idea why. When Master Halsin heard the adventurers were heading that way, he saw a chance to get answers, joined on the spot. Whatever he found there, he didn't make it back. I think so. I hope so. I've sent birds to find him, but they can't get close without goblins trying to shoot them down. You, though, you're one of them. Technically speaking, I mean. They won't kill someone carrying their parasite. If you can find Halsin and get him out of there, we can discover what he learned. And perhaps he can save your life. How's that sound?
Bon, de toute manière, elle peut rien. Il y a que lui qui peut quelque chose. Allez hop, on y va.
It would mean everything to the Grove. To me. I wish I could tell you more. But only those adventurers know what happened out there. All I can say for sure is they all went to the old temple of Selûne. And Master Halsin didn't make it back. Good luck out there. And if things start to go bad, remember the vial. Remember your oath. One step at a time, Nettie. Come on.
Et... Alors, la toxine, elle est là. Ici, non, pas ici. Et alors, allez hop, la toxine, elle va là. Je range tout dans le sac.
There's something in that vessel. Take a closer look.
Alors. Ah, mais c'est qu'il n'y en a pas qu'un seul, il y en a plusieurs. Enfin bref. Bon, on va ressortir, hein, on va pas prendre le risque de d'énerver tout le monde ici.
So that's what you want? To kill a bunch of innocents? I don't kill anyone, but I won't let this grow behind. Not again.
Ah. Waouh. En général, j'utilise pas ça, mais je viens de voir enquêter sur Kaga. Ah, ben je sais pas. On va retirer tous ces... Voilà.
Ridiculous. We just let her run off. She's a child. A devil child. One who tried to steal from us. Yet she failed. That's what matters.
Là, il y a un tableau, enfin une...
The forest rose with claw and tooth to tear the darkness from its roots. The mural depicts druid and beast fighting together to drive monsters from their land. It looks like they were victorious, and yet the monsters have returned.
Ah. Allez, hop, on sort. C'est bizarre. J'ai pas parlé avec Ombrecoeur et son... Ça a disparu le fait qu'elle voulait me parler. Bon, je vais quand même lui parler, on sait jamais.
I know that look. You're wondering why I was in pain before. Let's just clear the air about that now. It's just an old wound that hurts me from time to time. Nothing to be concerned about. It's nothing to do with the tadpoles, at least, in case your imagination is in danger of getting away from you. It's just something I have to live with. Quite a lot, if I'm being honest. But it always passes quickly, so I can manage. What can I say? They were eye-catching. Consider me an art lover.
Hein, de pas dire la vérité. Bon, tu me fais pas encore confiance, c'est peut-être pour ça.
I understand why you ask, but memory loss is not as uncommon as you'd think. There may be other causes. We've been through quite a lot, with likely more to come. Care to narrow it down a little? I suppose we'd go our separate ways. Not a slight on your company, of course. Perhaps. Perhaps not. If we do survive, we'll have separate lives to return to. I need to get to Baldur's Gate. There's someone waiting for me there. Someone I have to reach. As soon as possible. Thank you. And you're right. It's a delicate matter. Not something for light conversation. I must admit, you've been a surprise. And not an unpleasant one. Kindred spirits are few and far between for me. Besides, you saved my life aboard the Nautiloid. How can I do anything but sing your praises? Must I? Thinking about it won't help. We know what to do, so let's do it. Find a way to rid ourselves of these things. Personally, I think finding this Halsin is our best bet. I'm not too hopeful that a Gith Kresh will actually prove our salvation, but worth keeping in mind.
Bon, allez hop, on va... Ah zut. Allez hop, on avance. Hop, par là. Alors, ce qu'on va faire, on va désassembler le groupe et ma très chère amie va aller là. Oh, c'est pas vrai qu'elle est pas assez. Quand même. Ah, un petit coffre. Alors, ça me fait de l'argent. Écorce de bois. Et lingot de bronze. Ah. Mais pourquoi tu ranges pas ça là-dedans? Voilà, j'ai un petit peu de sous. Ça sera à vendre. Ah. Ouais, j'ai un petit peu de ressources, c'est bien. Mhm. Bon, là, il n'y a pas grand-chose à faire. Bon, ben, je peux pas faire beaucoup plus, donc on retourne sur la plage, enfin, avec mes collègues. C'était quand même limite au niveau du saut, hein. Allez hop, on se remet tous ensemble et on retourne vers là-haut. Abécédaire des créatures légendaires. Le hamster géant miniature de l'espace. Ah, ils peuvent pas rester sérieux longtemps. Et on va aller de ce côté-là et on va s'arrêter ici. Car la scène qui qui nous arrivera ici est plutôt longue, donc, enfin plutôt longue. Donc, elle va passer un certain temps, donc je vais m'arrêter là et je garde cette scène assez jolie d'ailleurs pour le prochain épisode. Donc, je vous dis au revoir, bonne fin de journée et à la prochaine.